Hi, I'm Nabeel Qadeer, and today I'll be talking to you about Google Analytics. What it is, why you need it, and how to use it. It is a service offered by Google to track website traffic and also to obtain quantitative reports to analyze business performance. Using it, they can identify which pages are doing well and which require more optimization. The goal is maximizing conversions. One of the most useful aspects of this service is to track behavior. With this service, you don't only get to see how many people get converted, it also shows the way they're being engaged. For example, you can easily find out at what point the user abandoned their cart and left the web page. If multiple people leave at the same point, means there's something wrong at that particular point of the page. Maybe there's a technical fault there. This way, you can easily figure out what needs your attention. So, how can we use this incredible tool? For starters, you need to make an account on Google Analytics. Once your account's created, you'll be given a tracking code. Insert this Java code in every page of your website. This code is what will track your behavior on all these pages. It can be used for apps as well. The tracking code does not only show engagement patterns, it can also give you some very important information, like the visitor browser type, the language it is set in, the device and the operating system that they're using, as well as where this user came from. So this code will show the marketer whether this user came from the ad that was put up or was he a result of an organic search. The information is collected using units of time called sessions. A session starts when a page on the website loads and it lasts for 30 minutes. Every time a user comes back to your pages, a new session is loaded. So the data report will show you exactly how the user behaved in that particular session. You can specify what kind of information you need using filters. Make sure you think thoroughly about what is important for you so that you can make the right decisions. Remember, Google will only collect the data that you asked it to collect. You can also link this Google Analytics account with Google AdWords and import all your data there to get a complete picture about your PPC campaign. This is it for this topic for now. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you for now.